In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Mailto link in the footer on your Shopify store. We'll walk through the process step by step. So by the end, your customers will be able to click a link in your footer and instantly open their email app with your store's address already filled in. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand side and find the section labeled Content. Go ahead and click that. When it expands, you'll see more options appear underneath. Click on Menus. This is where all of your navigation menus are managed. From the list of menus, look for the one that controls your footer navigation, usually called something like Footer Menu, and click on it to open the editor. Inside the Footer Menu editor, you'll see the existing links that appear in your footer. To add your email link, click the Add Menu Item button. A small panel or row will appear with two main fields, one for the label and one for the link. In the label field, type something clear and simple, such as email us or contact via email. This is the text that will appear in your store's footer. In the link field, you're going to create a special type of link called a Mailto link. Type Mailto, followed immediately by a colon, and then your store's email address with no spaces. It should look like mailtoyouremail@yourstore.com. Double check that there are no typos, because any mistake here will break the link. When you're happy with it, click the check icon on the right side of the link field to confirm the entry. Then click Save, either at the bottom right or at the top near the search bar, to save your updated footer menu. Next, you need to make sure this footer menu is actually being used in your live theme. Still in your Shopify admin, look again at the left panel and click on Online Store. You'll see a list of your themes with your current theme shown at the top. On that active theme, click Edit Theme or Customize. This opens the theme editor. On the left-hand side of the editor, you'll see a list of sections that make up your page. Scroll until you find the footer section and click it. On the left of the footer section, click the small right-pointing arrow to reveal the blocks inside the footer. Look for the block that controls a menu, often called something like Menu or Footer Menu, and click it. In its editing options, find the Menu setting. Click the Select button next to it and choose the same footer menu you just edited, the one where you added the Mailto link. Confirm your selection. Now, look at the live preview on the right side of the screen. You should see your new Email Us menu item appear in the footer area. If you hover over it, you'll notice it shows the Mailto link you created. Once you've confirmed that everything looks good, click Save in the top right corner of the editor. That's it. You've successfully added a Mailto link to your Shopify store's footer, giving your customers a quick and easy way to contact you by email.